Paul coming in clutch with the Tim Hortons. Bye Paul Subaru. What's going on, guys? So today we're going to Calgary to pick up a sheet of ABS material to make a front splitter. So Jesse from Lowcals is hooking it up. So we're going to go pick up the splitter and drop by their shop, say what's up. Talk to you guys when we get there. And we made it. David's S15. Jesse's Aristo. Brandon's S15. Had a nice visit talking to Jesse and Charles and David. So we got the ABS here now, and we're just trying to figure out what kind of shape we want to do the splitter, whether we want to do fangs or completely make it rounded off all the way around. First step we're going to take is jack up the car. And the car is up, and now I am going to put the material up to the car and see how much of it I'm actually going to use for the front splitter. So now we're measuring how far out we want the 90-degree part that sticks up to be. So I got a rough outline made now, so I'm going to go ahead and cut off all this excess so I can get a better look at what I got drawn out. So obviously I have a lot more to cut off, but I just wanted to cut off all that excess stuff so I could get a better look and reference for what I'm doing. As you can see, my rough line is there, and there's a lot of space being left over here because that's where the winglet will turn up. I'm not trying to push it. No, just... We got all of our permanent lines drawn up now to cut. We're gonna run and grab a coffee because it's late and we're tired. We've got the cut made now in the center, and Paul is now cutting out the template because we're going in farther than what that cut is, and he's making a curve. So we've got the splitter off now, and we're gonna go ahead and bend up the winglets. So we've got the winglets done and bent up. So now we're going to go ahead and sand the edges and smooth everything out. When you're putting on your splitter, I suggest having some help, but I got my good friend Jack helping me today. He's an old friend. He's a good dude. Thanks, Jack. You're the man. So I got some marks on where my main bolts are going to go, so I'm going to go ahead and drill those out. Alright, so I got both sides bolted up now, right there in the bumper. Now I'm going to go ahead and drill all the holes in the center up through so I can support the middle. So the splitter is all on now. It's all bolted up and tightened down. It's really sturdy. It's not going anywhere. The winglets came out really nice. I really like them. Now it's time to put these bad boys on. The rods are on, the splitter is completely secured, so let's go ahead and drop the car, see what it looks like on the ground. Well, there you have it, do-it-yourself splitter. ABS material, some bolts, and splitter rods if you prefer. I'll update you guys on how it reacts to the road when I bring the car out. And huge shout out to Jesse from Lowcals for the ABS material for hooking it up. So make sure you guys subscribe for more content on building some sweet stuff for some cars, a lot of do-it-yourself stuff. Until next time, peace.